Hello, this is Jaco Duncan. I'm in the team EMI and working on the text-based adventure game. This is the report for week 4. Our team is working for the adventure game, and my progress is game details, planning, and mapping. Completed the design of the game environment map and the game ending scheme for items required for each rooms, and created attributes and a capability mapping for rooms, items, and features. And also created a JSON data construction and the completed JSON data files for resource items and rooms, and reading and writing those data to the engine. And the game details, what I created is a map of the house and each room, the what object and the items in there and the features that is also created by me. And this is the right side of the spreadsheet showing the what items and what features and the capabilities. I can show you later more specifically. And this is the room's JSON data file example. There is a 17 room files with features, room objects, and other necessary attributes that will be used as a game goes. This is an item file example. One of the items, there is total 12 items files with description. So at our latest team meeting, we have decided to add a capable action that a player can do with each item and give message when the specific action is made on the item. So this is to do for myself to add those available action, available message, and it should be done by end of next week. And other progress I had made is a unit test and implementation. Display the saved game file list and enable to save the game status in the middle of the game without going to the menu. And tested a read, write player's test status, player status, and room inventory status from 2 saved files. The past command function pseudocode is also created. And there is no delays, significant delay is not shown, so should be able to complete by deadline. And we communicate Tuesday and Friday, that's our meeting. And throughout the week, as the project goes, we communicate each other with decode. It's like a stacks. And we respond very frequently. So any issues we solve at a time. And we use IDE PY charm, so that is my new to me, but it was good learning, and Python 2.7 and the version control GitHub use within the PY charm. So goals for next week, next review. That is 7 days later from now, the Friday, February 8th. And other feature JSON files with capability, and also the JSON files for the items, the messages. And currently the game status can be saved through the menu. So other new action that have save status functionality without going to the menu is also should be completed. Write unit test functions for save and load player status state. That is my goal. And also there were major progress on the game engine and the passing engines by our teammates. So I will join the passing engine project and support creating more actions passing as I complete my to-do. And I want to show you what the spreadsheet I have made is this one. So in my project, our team, especially the verb and the noun passing the functionality we are making, we need to make sure what each room have which feature and object, and each feature of the French door, what kind of type of the feature there. So I have categorized, so we don't need to think each item what can do. So each category what can do. So this is a good implementation. So each feature types. So the item have a features. So those feature category, if it's a furniture type, they can go to or touch, look. And if it's a look above, then open and use key. Those two actions can be made. So this is my spreadsheet, my design part. And also, as I explained previously, there is room files, 70 room files, and 12 items. So each items have a name and display name and descriptions, and each room they have a attribute they will use in a game. And also this is a testing I can show is so when I learn and read the data from the JSON file and reading and initializing is completed, so they show the current room message which is from the file. And then when I try to save, I can save. This problem just happened, but it is saved. And I want to show you how to retrieve the data. It is a load game. And now it shows a list of the files we can use. So I can type the file name and retrieve the current data. So this is all what we did and my side of the progress. Thank you very much.